We're ready for page 4. Now page 4, here's the page map for it. And you can see that I've got a little flap there. I've got a line there. What I'm actually going to do is have pull down flap, but I'm not going to stick it on the edge there. I'm going to start it about there. Have a decorative strip there. Again, it's just to give a bit more interest to the page. And then when that drops down, we'll have a pocket that goes along there like that. Okay, so we're going to stick this in first. So what I'm going to do is line this up, and I'm just going to put a little tiny pencil mark so I know roughly where it is. And then I'm going to stick my flap down. Okay, yeah, that's right. That'll fit in there like that. Clean that bit off. Right, so next I need my magnets. Now we've decided that artist tack isn't strong enough because of the strength of the magnets, so I'm going to actually apply a little bit of PVA as well, because I've already cut these out, otherwise I would be doing it with my archi tape. So stick that down there. Just give that time to stick. Just move that out of the way as well. Okay, that's one. Take another piece, another little die cut. I'll pop that on there. And a magnet. Oops. Drop that one onto there. A little bit of glue. Okay. Okay. And just give this time to stick before you, if you're using glue, just give this time to stick before you close them again. But I would probably just use your archi tape, it's much easier. And you'll get a really strong grip. Okay, just check that. Yeah, just shut okay. Right, so that's that there. So I'm going to, just to give this time to stick, I'm going to stick the top bit in first. So it's my top page. That's stuck on there. Just give that time to stick down. See, that's not quite, you've got a bit of time just to pull a little bit. If you can't see it, sometimes just stand up, you get a better perspective. That's it, that's that one done. Okay, and then that is going to be a pocket there. And that's not going to be a pocket there. Yes, it is going to be a pocket there. Sorry, brains are not in gear. Okay, so that's going to stick on there, and that's going to be your pocket piece along there, like that. So we'll just ink that edge. I can see I've missed it. Just run along. There. Yes, I suddenly thought, oh no, I put the glue on the wrong side. Okay, so that's your, take that off so you can see what you're doing. Line it up properly. And then that one's going to fit on there like that. So that will be a pocket. So again, 3 sides, and make sure with all your pockets when you stick them on that they're not in the fold, because if they are, you want to make sure it's not in the fold there. If they are, your pages won't close properly, your flaps won't close properly. You see it okay? Yep. Right, that's like that. Okay, so then I'm going to have on my front, I'm going to have this one, and I've actually already used my Victorian whisker die because that's going to be a little tuck in on there, and I've done exactly the same for this one that's going to be on here, and that's going to be there like that. So when you open it out, you've actually got something being held in place. So again, ink around the edges. You can ink in the middle here, but I don't tend to do that because sometimes I quite like it as though it's a secret pocket and you can't really see it's there. But obviously you can when the tab's in there. So stick this one down. Put that one on there. Make sure you've got your writing up the correct way so when the flap opens down it's the right way up, which it is. And this one will be this way. So again, we're going to put glue along here, along the top edge of the tuck in, on there. Pop that one there. Okay, so you can see that you've got that little bit just fitting in there, and then you've got that one that fits in there like that. Okay, and then just to finish off for a bit of decoration, I'll pop this one onto here. And this, they've got some really nice, Graphic 45 do some really nice little decorative strips on some of their pages, so it just helps to add detail. And as I say, I go through afterwards and see what else I can add where I think a page looks a bit bare or something like that. That's that there. But it's not butted right up to the edge, so that will still open easily. And then the last thing you need to do is take a little page tab. These are our debossed page tabs. Pop that one on there. That one on there. And I would glossy accents all of these. Once I've finished each page, I go through with my glossy accents before I stick them into the album. Okay, and that is page 4.